Welcome to our August property update. There's been a bit of movement this month, and probably the biggest headline is the Reserve Bank's interest rate cut. The RBA dropped the official interest rate by 0.25% to 3.6%. The positive news for both buyers and investors who've been waiting on the sidelines. But as always, there's a flip side. Inflation has crept back up and sitting at 2.8%, which might slow down the pace of future rate cuts. So the message is, don't assume the window will stay open forever. We've also seen the federal government fast track a new scheme that will allow more buyers into the property market with just a 5% deposit, and it's not means tested. So this is the first home buyer incentive scheme. This kicks in from the 1st of October, and we'll see a big difference for couples and singles who have solid incomes but have struggled with the deposit size. That's going to inject even more confidence into the lower price bracket markets. Now, in terms of what we're seeing on the ground, it's very much a tale of two markets. Entry level and mid-tier homes are still selling really strongly. First home buyers and investors are very active, and good quality homes are attracting serious interest, often with multiple offers after the very first open home. On the other hand, some of the higher end properties, particularly those over $3 million, are a bit patchier. If the property is exceptional, it will still sell well, but anything that's average or overpriced, buyers are pushing back, and vendors are starting to need to reset their expectations downwards. They are still selling, but it may take a little bit longer if vendors' expectations are too high. So all Australian capital cities increased last month, with Sydney increasing by 0.6%, Melbourne was up by 0.4%, Brisbane up by 0.7%, Adelaide by 0.7%, and Perth up by 0.9%. So Sydney, Brisbane, Perth and Adelaide are all now at record highs. So if you are thinking about your next move, whether it's building a portfolio or just want help figuring out what is the strategy and what would that look like, now is a great time to get some clarity. So don't wait for the perfect conditions, because perfect can often pass you by. So please click on the link to book a strategy call, and we look forward to helping you.